We have some Banvil gold lines with straight blades at Zehrs in Cambridge, Ontario. Those replace canarm cb506 industrial ceiling fans at Zehrs in Cambridge, Ontario. There's a Banvil gold line there. That is brand new. From April 2025. Those replace a lot of canarm cb506. They're all clean from 2024. The dirty ones a long time. Now they replace them with Banvil gold lines with straight blades. There's a lot of them. This one's new. That one's new. Those are all clean. A little bit dirty. They're from April 2025. Those are replaced them all. There's a lot of them. We don't need the canarm cb506 industrial ceiling fans. We need the new ones, the Banvil gold line straight blades. They're brand new. They're on right now. They'll be off very soon. In May.
For the last thing.
June.
That's it.
That's it.